Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a pet avatar in Avatar World. So if you want to get a pet in your Avatar World, you can just here click on this plus button at the top. So instead of clicking on a person type, here you'll just need to click on the pet icon. So instead of clicking on this one, you can just click on this one right here, and then you can click on the plus button again to create your pet. So here you can choose between a cat or a dog for the pet. So let's say I'm going to just go with cat. Here you can choose the type, whether it's this one or this one's right here. I think I'm going to go with the first one, and here you can adjust the size whether you want to make too big or small. I think I'm going to just go with the small one, and here you can choose the color for the cat. I'm going to just go with this gray color. And also here you can choose the fur type, I think, whether it's just like this, a full color or two color. I'm going to go with this one, and again you can change the color for this second. I think I'm going to just go with all gray like this, and here you can change how the eye look like. I think I'm going to go with this one, said eye, and last one is the mouth. I am going to just go with this one right here. Now your pet is ready. Now you can just click on a check icon. So that's how you can create a pet avatar in Avatar World. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.